Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to enable or disable touch option in case your laptop supports touch. In some cases, by disabling touch option in laptop helps to solve problem of screen flickering. Let me show you. My touch is working properly and there is no problem in my touch. To disable touch option, first you have to go this Windows icon, click right and then go to device manager. In device manager, go to this option of human interface device. In this, go to this option HID complaint touch screen. Just right click to this option and disable device. Click on disable device and then click right yes. And again, just below this option there is one more option. Right click to that option also and click on disable device and click yes. Now you can see that my touch is not working. I am clicking on my screen but it's not working. Now I have to use a keyboard to apply any function, and by disabling touch there is chances that you can solve problem of screen flickering. In case your problem was not solved and you want to enable touch option or turn on touch option, then again go to this Windows icon, click right to this option and go to device manager, and in device manager go to this option of human interface device, and in this option again go follow that same process. In this touch screen option, right click to this, and this time instead of disable device there is a option of enable device. Click to this and follow that same process for the option just below this. Right click to this and enable device, because there are two options, one or two, and now my touch is working properly. Now you can see that my touch is working properly. In case you not able to solve your problem by this, then you can enable your touch again. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.